I ain't gonna eat, I ain't gonna sleep, ain't gonna breathe till I see what I wanna see. And what I wanna see is you go to sleep in the dirt permanently, you just being hurt. This ain't gonna work for me, it just wouldn't be sufficient enough, cause we are just gonna be enemies. As long as we breathe, I don't ever see either of us coming to terms where we can agree. There ain't gonna be no reason speaking with me. You speak on my seed, then me no speaking English. So we gonna beef and keep on beefing unless you're gonna agree to meet with me in the flesh and settle this face to face. And you're gonna see a demon unleashed in me that you never seen. And you're gonna see this gangster be on himself. I see you D12 and thanks, but me need no help. Me do this one all by my lonely. I don't need 15 of my homies. When I see you, I'm seeing you, me and you only. We never met, but best believe you gon' know me when I'm this close to see you exposed as phony. Come on, bitch, show me. Pick me up, throw me. Lift me up, hold me. Just like you told me you was gonna do. That's what I thought, you're pitiful. I'm rid of you, all you. Child, you get up. So go to sleep, bitch. Die, motherfucker, die. Time's up, bitch. Close your eyes. Go to sleep, bitch. Wow, you still alive. How many times I gotta say close your eyes? And go to sleep, bitch. Die, motherfucker, die. Bye, motherfucker, bye. Go to sleep, bitch. Wow, you still alive. Why? Die, motherfucker,
We got you niggas nervous on purpose to hurt your focus. Use not them C's, use worthless. Use not them G's, use the circus. Use no appeal, please use curtains. You use words, cool heard slurred in 2003. Use purping, use no threat. Who's you serving when lyrically or the bird? You beneath the dirt when you fuck with a label overseeing the earth. Shady motherfucker, old Trice's birth. And as I mold, I become more cursed so we can put down the verse. Take it to the turf, cock and squeeze. And he who reached the hearse is he who depicts fiction in his verse. And as I breathe and you be deceased, the world believe you deceive just to speak. Use not the streets, use the desk. Use not your chest, nigga, use a vest. Before two shoes your rest. You chose death, 6 feet deep, nigga, that's the death.
now go to sleep, bitch. Die, motherfucker, die. Time's up, bitch. Close your eyes. Go to sleep, bitch. Wow, you still alive. How many times I gotta say close your eyes? And go to sleep, bitch. Die, motherfucker, die. Bye, motherfucker, bye. Go to sleep, bitch. Wow, you still alive. Why? Die, motherfucker,
Hey, dog, I'ma walk like a beast, talk like the streets. I'm a slave blaze of New York with the heat. Stalk on the beat, walk with my feet. Understand my pain, the rain ain't sweet. Peep how I'm moving, peep where I'm going. Shit, don't sleep, then sleep not knowing. But I'ma keep growing, getting larger than life. Easy going, but the same one that started the fight. He be knowing how dog get when dog gon' bite. Try to show him the dog shit, the dog for life. Grand champion, my bloodline is tight. It's just so good, it's alright. Niggas tried to holler, but couldn't holler back. Now they got to swallow everything in the sack. Bloodline, and we can go track for track. Damn dog, why you had to do them niggas like that?
now go to sleep, bitch. Die, motherfucker, die. Can't you see what you do to me, baby? You make me crazy, you make me act like a maniac. I'm like a lunatic, you make me sick. You're truly the only one who can do this to me. You just make me get so crazy. I go schizo, I get so insane. I just go schizophrenic 1 minute. I wanna slit your throat, the next I wanna sex. You make me crazy the way we act like two maniacs in the sack. We fuck like two jackrabbits and maybe that's a bad habit. Cause the next day we right back at it in the same exact pattern. What the fuck is the matter with us? We can't figure out if it's lust or it's love. Which that is attracting us to each other. They say that every man grows up to marry his own mother, which would explain why you're such a motherfucking bitch. But I stand still, stick it out with you, even though I just hit you today. But you deserve it, you hit me first and provoked me to choke you just cause I came home late last night, crawled in bed and I woke you. But if there's one thing about you that I admire, it's maybe because you stayed with me, maybe cause you're as crazy as I am. Cause when I look at you I can see an angel in your eyes, but if I look deeper inside I see a freakish little side. Like a devil in disguise, you're always full of surprises, always pulling devices out your purse, little vibrators and dildos. You fuck yourself so much you barely feel those anymore. You're only 25 for, but you're plenty more murk. Sure, those are the little hoes who just act like little girls, like they're in middle school. Still, you're crazy, sexy, cool, chillin'. You play your position, you never step out of line. Even though I stay in your business, you've always kept out of mine. I wonder what's on your mind. Sometimes they say love is blind. Maybe that's why the first time I doubted your eye, you ain't see the sign. Or maybe you did, maybe you like being sharp. Maybe 'cause we're crazy in love. When my pen is to my pad, the moral, the very fiber, the whole substance to my rap. You are my reason for being, the meaning of my existence. If it wasn't for you, I would never be able to spit this in sentences. I do, in the irony is you rely on me as much as I rely on you to inspire me. Like you do, you provide me the lighter fluid, the fuel in my fire. You're my entire supply, gas, the match and igniter. The only way that I'm able to stay so stable is you're the legs to my table. If you were to break, I'd fall on my face, but I'm always gonna make you feel I don't need you as much as I really need you, so you don't use it to your advantage. But you're essential to me, you're the air I breathe. I believe if you ever leave me, I probably have no reason to be. You are the Kim to my Marshall, you're the Slim to my Shady, the Dre to my Eminem, the Elena to my Haley. You are the word that I'm looking for when I'm trying to describe how I feel inside, and the right one just won't come to my mind. You're like the pillar that props me up, the beam that supports me, the bitch who never took half, the wife who never divorced me. You're like the roots of my evil, you let my devil come out me, you let me beat this shit out you before you beat this shit out me. And no matter how much, too much is never enough. Maybe 'cause we're crazy in love.